Hello and welcome to this channel. India is celebrating Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, making the 75th year of independence. For that, in today's video, I am going to show you a simple trick. By using this trick, you will be able to make an Indian flag animated cursor. So let's see how we will do this. So for that, first you have to open your favorite browser, and here you have to type one websites. totallyfreecursor.com. Once this website is open, you will find the search options over here. So in search you have to type India and press on enter. Then you will find a Indian flag showing over here. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this, and here you will find the download options. So once you click on download, it's get downloaded. So you will find india.ani file will download it. So .ani means animated file. So once the download is completed, you have to open this download folder. You have to copy this file from here, and now minimize this page. Now what you have to do, you have to open a drive where your Windows was installed. So in my case it was C drive. So I have to open my C drive. Under C drive you will find a folder named Windows. So click on this. Under Windows you will find a folder named Cursors. Click on this. Here you have to paste this file that you have downloaded. Click on continue. So after that, close this window, and now what you have to do, you have to open your control panel. So in order to open a control panel, what you have to do, you have to just right click on the start, and from the menu you have to select control panel. So in control panel you will find a search control panel option in the upper right hand side. So here you have to type mouse, and here you will find the mouse option. Click on mouse. So mouse properties page will open. From here you will find the options called pointer. So click on pointer, and here you will find all the pointers, and below that you will find the browse options. So click on browse. So now it goes to the cursor sections where I pasted the Indian flag cursor. So you have to find this Indian flag cursors that we have saved over here. Here you will find India. So click on this. Now click on open. So you will find your Indian flag cursor is selected. Now what you have to do, you have to click on apply and OK, and close this page. And now you will find your Indian flag animated cursor will be appear over here. So it's a very simple trick to make a Indian flag animated cursor. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next tutorial. Jai Hind.